What's up, internet? Look at these absolute units. 275 60 15 AT Street Radial Pros. Beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of this notch right here. I can just get rid of this and get rid of this so we can drive them on the street. Shouldn't have any traction problems at the strip now with these bad boys. What else did I buy today? Oh, this for the fuel pump, filter, proper kill switch, some extended plug wires, so for relocating, some stuff for my dad. Shout out to my dad for basically supporting our shop, because I tell him there's sales and he just buys stuff. Bonus of that is he's also got like 6 things he's working on all at once all the time, so it works out pretty good for us. Love you, Dad. Look at that size difference. That's the size a few other people are running on their Ranger like this with the Expo 8.8, so it should tuck nice. It should give us a little bit of poke. Next couple days I'm going to swap over this diff and we'll see what happens. Got the... Oh, that's not a good sign. Got the Holly computer part mounted into the dash like we wanted to. Let's see if I can get you a good shot. It's right there. Wee! Right there. In the dash, so we'll be able to seal the lights if something starts to go wrong. You put patch panel in there, patch panel in there. Excuse me. And this we're just gonna Velcro in here just so it's accessible, so we can access the wiring and stuff in there. The glove box fits. I just need a new latch. Oops. And then we'll have a complete dash. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna work. We have all that Holly stuff tucked up there. It's not zip tied yet, but it's looking good. Just gonna try and figure out where I can run it where it's still all tucked up real nice and not looking just like we just zip tied all willy-nilly. But I mean, no one's gonna see it except for us and, well, you guys and ladies. It's coming along. I'm trying to figure out where I can mount the line lock. I think I'm gonna put it right here, really close to that, so I don't have to build too crazy lines for it. It's right here. It's gonna stop me right there. I think, anyway. I don't know. I'm just winging it. I still gotta go buy a bunch of wire loom and stuff like that, so just trying to get some things checked off. What's up, everybody? I forgot to start filming because I just started getting to work on a Sunday. Diff's almost out. The leaf spring bolts do not want to come free, so I'm gonna see what I can do, putting the 8.8 over top the leaves and over top of the leaves by myself, but who knows? I guess you'll see that in a little bit. About to try and stuff this in. Yes, it's going in the way it is, and I'll paint it and degrease it in it because I can, and that's what I'm doing, so whatever. Old dip over there, New diff in here. That was a chore. There's a lot of bolts that didn't want to come free, and then the disc didn't want to come out, so yeah, it's in there. I need to get U-bolts and all that stuff, and then all the stuff for, oh, they're over here. Get these cleaned up and get U-bolts made so we can put some shocks on. And that's just one thing checked off the list. Measure a drive shaft this week. It's supposed to be a busy week. We have some customer cars coming in. Oh, speaking of customer cars, you're gonna like this one. 67 Mustang Fastback, 327 stroker from the 289. Drew, who built my converter, built the transmission, and it's slipping funny, so I helped them pull it out Friday night, and they're going through it. And then got the diff all cleaned out, so we can do some modifications. I got the trans pan dropped so I can change the filter, and I had to put our tiny dipstick in. Where'd it go? Our tiny little locking dipstick. Oh, it locks and it's short, so we don't have to bring it up. So we got to put that in because it bolts in. So I'm doing that. And I'm going to change the filter and then slam back together. We're getting really close. Got it in there. It's really tight. Goes in right there. And to bolt it in. Should work okay. I mean, as long as it doesn't drip, I'm happy with that. Yeah. Here's that. I'm going to change the filter. You don't need to see that. And yeah, I'm back. Got the filter and everything back on now. Dipstick is in. See if we can get you a shot with it. Here it is. Nice and short. Can't get caught on fire by turbo headers. We have to hop underneath and check it, but it's whatever. I think that's... I gotta get some U-bolts made for this. It's just resting on there for now. And now know that I just test fit the old drive shaft from Chip, and I'm gonna figure out how. I think we're gonna get a bigger one anyway, an aluminum big one, because it's probably gonna destroy this one. But no, this is about our length. Just leaving it hanging here for lane. I'm soaking the bolts to take the dust covers off because we don't need those. I rust converted it. It's pretty gross. I should have taken it to the sandblaster, but we got to cut it apart and do some other things to it later. So we're just gonna run it as is, and yeah, that's it for that on today. Probably just wrap it up. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate you watching. Remember, we got merch at riskyhabits.ca. Follow our socials at riskyhabits1. TikTok's been popping off, I guess. Merch, all that stuff. Remember, drive fast, take chances, risky habits.